Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can hide your Apple ID on your iOS device. So in order to do that, first of all, you just need to open your settings. As you can see, I've already opened it, and just go to the search bar and type in hide email. And if you don't find anything, you just need to go to this option that says iCloud. Hide my email is a iCloud Plus benefit. So if you purchase the iCloud Plus, then you'll be able to hide your email and keep your email private. It says right here is the option, as you can see it. So guys, in order to hide your email in your iOS device, you just need to purchase iCloud Plus. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.